Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm gonna make some coleslaw. I'm gonna can up some coleslaw, so we'll have cabbage ready and carrots ready to go when we're ready to have coleslaw in the summertime. So, anyways, I had like 4 small heads of cabbage that I shredded, and I shredded up 7 carrots with it. I have a whole nother big head of cabbage, but I think this is going to be plenty for us. So I'm going to bring you over to the stove so I can show you how to make up the brine. Okay, so we got a pot on the stove. We're going to add, I'm doubling the recipe, so when Mike puts it down there, I'm adding double. So it's 4 cups of water. And then it'll be 5 cups of vinegar. You can use white or apple cider. And then it'll be 2 2/3 cups of sugar. And then we're just going to let this warm up until the sugar dissolves. So while that's dissolving, I'll bring you back over here and we can pack up the jars with the cabbage. Okay, so to each jar we're going to add some pickle crisp, like 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then we're going to add some celery salt. Same amount, 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then we're just going to pack the cabbage and carrots. We're going to leave a 1/2 inch headspace. And you can use purple cabbage for this too, but just know that the liquid will turn like pink, so it'll dye the rest of the cabbage also. So just about like that. Okay, so the brine is ready. The sugars are dissolved. It's clear again. So we're going to fill up our jars and we're going to do the 1/2 inch headspace with the brine also. And so for 1/2 inch headspace, it's like right at this second ring. And then we're gonna slide our little debubbler down there to make sure there's no air bubbles stuck down in there. Okay, so all the jars are filled up and debubbled. So now I'm going to take my rag with vinegar on it, wipe down the rims, make sure everything stays down in there. And then put our lids and rings on them. And then I'm going to take them outside and put them in the water bath canner, and I'll bring you out there for that part. Okay, so I had the water bath canner started out here. So I put the last two in. And remember, when your water bath cannon, you want at least a 2-inch headspace. So see, they're all underneath the water. So whenever it comes up to a boil, then we'll start the process time. So I'll bring you back. Okay, so it's come to a good boil. So now we're gonna let it process for 15 minutes, and then I'll turn the heat off, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready to come out of the canner. Okay, so it processed for 15 minutes. It sat here for longer than 10 because I got busy inside. But there's what it looks like. So you can use it for coleslaw. You can use it to put like on top of fish tacos. You can eat it just like it is. So let us know what you come up with to use it for, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. And also, I forgot. They said to let it sit on the shelf for like 2 weeks before you use it, and the longer you let it sit, the better it is. So we'll try it in 2 weeks and see how it tastes. Bye.